Hey everybody, today's video we're checking out another handheld vacuum cleaner. It's got 14,000 PO suction, comes with a built-in battery that charges 2 to 3 hours, giving you about 20 to 25 minutes of working time. It's super light. Not only it's a vacuum, but it's also a blower, so it cleans your keyboard and small items. We're gonna be testing this vacuum on our floor, stairs, on the bed, and in our car. So stick around to see if this is something that fits your lifestyle. So this vacuum cleaner comes in black and white, and here it is. It's foldable. Right, super lightweight, the button's right there. Got a little light built in. Only one mode of suction. It's got a silicone reusable filter attachment. There we go. And now you have a blower. So for example, right, this blows all the dust out. It's actually pretty big, as you can see. And it comes with a frontal attachment. Now this is a soft edge for stairs, but you can remove it as well and basically have this. So again, with a crevice brush, soft attachment if you want, or the blower option attached in the back, you have a 3-in-1 portable vacuum. Now the light is automatic, so you can't turn it off or on. If you put the blower option, it's actually less loud as well. So we'll put that on, and then now we're gonna go just sweep a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna show you how powerful this is. So now I'm gonna show you how well this works. So we've got some cereal. This is just everyday debris from walking around because we have a tiled entrance. And then this is just extra wood chippings and whatnot. So this represents a pretty good average of what this vacuum is capable of picking up. So let's see here. It's pretty good. Alright, not bad. And now scratching it. And as you can see, it goes right around there quite well. If I was concerned about scratching any surface, I can just do this instead. Here's a big piece. That sucks it up. Right? So remember, I did get this for the bedroom. Now the reason I got this for the bedroom is because, you know, our little one has sometimes breakfast in the master, and then you can see he leaves all these little cereal crumbles and whatnot. He gets right here on the edge of the platform bed. So for this, I would remove this, and I can use this. Right? And I can just go up and down. Again, just getting all the crumbs off the bed. Instead of taking it all off. And this is upholstered and it works great as well. So there you go. So you can see I am still going on one single charge. So whether it's upholstery, bedding, you know, furniture, flooring, also in the car. So the great thing about this is it goes right on the edges, and it does go in here as well. Not super deep in, but it will remove it. And of course into the seating crevices. Here, picks up little rocks. Or in a truck, again, very portable. And then when you're ready to throw the garbage out, just twist this. And here's all the gunk. Shake it. And you're gonna realize that this is a silicone filter, and all you have to do is just wash it forever. You can never have to replace this. So leave it charging for about 2 to 3 hours, fully charged. You're gonna get about 18 to 23 minutes of maximum suction. And what I like about this is that I can just stick this right here in the back of my closet in my master bedroom, and it takes up almost no space whatsoever. Now these little vacuum cleaners are not just for people who have no vacuum cleaners. Like we have a central vacuum here, and we also have a wireless cordless vacuum here. So this is just another little tiny vacuum to help us to be on the go or clean up little messes like I showed you on the upholstery bed. Not a replacement for a traditional vacuum cleaner. Although a case could be made if you had 2 of these, as long as you sweep up all the debris into one pile, you can always just suck it up. So if you're looking for an ultra portable little vacuum cleaner with a crevice brush, USB-C chargeable, this is something you may want to consider. It is extremely strong suction, as you saw, so capable of not only cleaning carpets inside your car at home, but collecting thick pieces of wood chunks as well. Anyways, something you may want to consider. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.